To install Linux Mint, we are going to need a USB drive that has at least 8 gigabytes. We search for Linux Mint, click on the Linux Mint website. When that opens up, we click download, choose a Cinnamon edition. It's beautiful. We choose our download mirror. So you're going to choose a location closest to you. I'm going to choose the US location. So when you click that, it's going to start downloading. It's a large file. That's what she said. While our large file is downloading, we're going to look for Balena Etcher. So we're going to search for Balena Etcher. Click on the etcher.balena.io. That's the website. Click download. Choose the operating system we're on. So I'm going to choose Windows because I'm on Windows 11 for this. Once that's done, we are going to run Balena Etcher. So we're also going to insert our USB drive. Make sure the drive is also empty because you don't want to lose your file. Click on the flash from file. Choose the Linux Mint ISO. Then we'll choose our target device. So select target. We will choose our USB drive. We click flash. So it's going to ask for permission. We say yes. The process is going to commence. Now we just give it a few minutes to go through. Once everything is done, you plug out your USB drive. Now you use the computer you want to install it on. I'm going to be using a ThinkPad T480S. Insert my USB drive into my ThinkPad. I'm going to turn it on. As soon as I'm turning it on, I'm always spamming the F12 key so that I can go into the boot menu. For your laptop, it might be, or your computer might be different. So you can use the F2 key or the delete key. So you might just need to search that to see how to get into your boot menu. Now the boot menu opens up. I'm going to choose boot from USB drives. Now we are in. But the thing about this version is nothing here stays permanent on your drive. Everything is, you're still running from the USB key. So what we want to do is click on the install Linux Mint. The install wizard is going to pop up. We will choose English. You choose your keyboard layout. Then I'm just going to proceed. You want to check this box, install multimedia codecs, because we need that to be able to play YouTube and Spotify or any media library without getting into any issues. Click continue. You have to choose your installation path. So you could do install alongside with Windows. This is because I have Windows on my system. So you could do that, or you could erase everything from this and install a fresh version of Mint. I'm going to select something else because I have 3 partitions on my drive and I have Windows installed. So I'm going to install Linux on my second partition in my drive. I'm going to do that now. Once that's done, you click install, choose your location for your time zone, input your username, put your name. This is tech honestly. Salty. Choose your password. So you could choose to encrypt your home folder. This way it keeps everything locked. So if someone takes your drive, they cannot really access it because everything is encrypted. So you could choose that option. I'm not going to go with that for now. I'm just going to go log in automatically and click continue. Now that it installs, we could just wait for the installation to go through. That's it. Your installation is done. We're going to click on restart. Now when you click on restart, you want to yank out your USB drive, and once it reboots, voila, you have a fresh install of Linux Mint. So you could click on the